abusia for me a church and you so be out to set up judicial border that will be away. I'm also for that faculty Geofac media na me cause I catch them say Ochami Kofi Edu contest for deputy organizer. Our NDC amanyo ko papa ni dimu asantementem a enti emra so na tu ahene na si ahene for what NDC amanyo ko num all the 47 constituency me yakwa koto aba e be make sure say eyewura Ochami Kofi Edu the fantastic man abrante monyafo ne beto aba na man no aba be deputy organizer ema NDC amanyo ko papa paro na abusia yakọ yasem no so straight abusia penifo abuberu say abofra all man mama na dem to empare to sanso na etrenti ya yenya eche na abusia yakọ straight yenyina yenim say yeti kroma na yeti say MTN for the levy bi ade ato momo account so say oyi sika afri o bank account so dey ato momo wallet so a on bet 0.75%. Asemi buy the be deja oko Angel FM a tipo nkoso na me fo bi omoto omde omnim radio adwuma e de ya stick be kan wasem say ya yi levy afri o asa de yi levy for Friday aba no wa no onim ne yakọ ne eba we nyina to ye training na e don so wa ye fans wonder wa ye training onim we ye kopie mu parliament so a Afanyamaka, he claimed to be a lawyer. Afanyamaka, when that's why a lawyer, as I am minority leader. Uncle, he knows better. No, it's enough. Afanyamaka, the two on Kosu Nibia, what you have Afanyamaka. So, Afanyamaka, what parliament proceedings, when you say, and she share when Yashan or parliament, and then some when you have a kind of parliament, and then you will, as some of the concept, Yafam proceedings in the Yafama. Parliament said that you have 2 tables and no one you become them. You can WhatsApp. Afanyama Kukobi na noa. Sa levy MTN for the to Ghana 40 so. And then Afanyama Kwaka. E wa na yem papa mama ayarga temasa. Sit down. Keep on koso. Wo de wa boma. O so na pada nya petesi kakra na dugu mu na betra parliament. Ni se mu ta. Tena se na me educate you. Ana onu ya tena se boko ni educate na busia. Yanko de si wa parliament between tipo nkwaso Afanyamaka and the fantastic man Mahama Ayarga yako ene koreba na de to aso ya de aka ho yako ya merabu.
Yes, minority leader.
Speaker, with respect, with your kind indulgence, I want to bring to the attention of the House, especially since the finance minister is here, this announcement by Bank of Ghana of charging 0.75% when somebody transfers money from his bank account into his mobile money wallet. If the finance minister may recall, his government decided to repeal the e-levy law, and now Bank of Ghana is introducing the e-levy again.
Minority leader, I recognize.
That's why, Mr. Speaker, because the finance minister is here, and now they make an announcement that they have suspended it for
minority leader, with all due respect, when we operate within the rules, problems of this nature will not have it.
Very well. Yeah, Mr. Speaker, with respect, that's why I
majority say leader, you have the floor.
Yes, majority leader may intervene. Yeah.
Mr. Speaker, I request that everything that he has said should be expunged from the records. Mr. Speaker, this kind of lawlessness cannot be accepted. Not especially from a leader. Please, let's get serious. No, let's get serious. Let's get serious, please. Don't let us start this meeting on this note. We've been in this house. You have just come. But those of you who have been in this house, for God's sake, after votes and proceedings, is the first thing to get up and be asking questions to the finance minister. Is that the first thing to do? It's not even because, listen carefully, the finance minister is actually pleading with me to allow him to get up and respond to him. But I'm saying that cannot be accepted as a practice of this house. Otherwise, we descend to chaos and lawlessness. And you, the minority leader, you cannot lead in allowing this house to descend into chaos and lawlessness. Please, let's stop that. Let's get serious as a house. We have rules. If we decide that we are not going to go according to our rule, do you know what is going to happen to you? your very right as a minority to say what you want to say is because there are rules that say that you should say whatever you want to say. But the same rules indicate when you should say it. Please, you are the minority leader. That is not how we behave in this house. You were a majority leader. Is that what your colleagues were doing to you? Please, let's stop that. You just get up and whatever you want to say, you just say. That you are who? That you are who? Please.
Honorable
Mr.
members.
Speaker. Mr. Speaker.
Honorable members.
You cannot allow that.
I think I indicated clearly that
I was here for the parliament the grudge between Papa Mahama Ayargane, Yura, and your market, and then your cocoa huyan. Now we shall utnasi now debate now course between your Papa Mahama Ayargane and your market. What you say? Until we are sure pass MPP who have the men who have the men. These are the men. After market, to me sorry, no one have been a cancer, and you're very crap to Kawasem, and then after your market, and you might end that table so for proceedings, and then after your market could be an hour or Goka, after your market, Wakasa, Anna, Ilabia, or Mamma Baya, NBC for the cat, and now you travel, Yakofak and Yasabi to Ediaba, I'm as a team, who you see curfew or bank wallet, Media Momo wallet is what, you're 0.75%. MPP NDC abanye kotobe kuma ya kronfa by ya papa to force ni mna bontin no mna meyi wano December sa enti afanya make o ko parliament no enti wantimi antenase a million hu nyansa at the same time enti afanya make wa ma wo yira na wo me wo fia educate se da we dey enti nya e-levy enti nya tax abanye na dey abawo enti nya tax abanye na dey aba na yesem hey MTN for kwa na ka wasem telecel nka wasem etati go nka bibia yante free Ghana Telecommunication Network yante bibia free finance minister ho yante bibia free Bank of Ghana ho nti ayegdan and I said, well, over cast a binding the levy ever. Now you live in the access and the African and so deba. After when a Ghana for 10 years so more, we are the Democratic opposition channel. Now, okay, social media also now we keep on course when people phobia, now we have central phobia, now we have semi or make now for Bank of Ghana, Baby, Samano, a church and Semu, now for many Metrica or SN Guasieri. Let me say. Muntie MPP for Muntie NDC for use strategies bia so ye MPP ni na wa hwe ya de bia wani meguase wo de ha wa na ta asembia ba na MPP for kan bra o ma pa wo de na me ye wa na esi dum so na dum so wo be sha MPP ni bia dum so afanya make dum so chete Akufo-Addo dum so Bawumia dum so Nana B ene akoyo kata JFK obi adu dum so te si dum so na ti akoda. Iti MPP for now your mind to make create problem kakra bi na MPP for nya ano kakra no makata na Ghana party say sankrofo no ho omukoso ba agosi aga na ya say aburo nya akwa kakra nsemu ya chiro oma ye hude da Aminat Bawumia ba nsemu oma kwedi ya chire agosi esi ade omo de koduru MTN mumu levia MTN 40 Bank of Ghana CEO ene mpeni fa ba bonte say 1st June MTN for ntimi fa kabo bia entu obi so MTN for ntimi nti obi tax MTN for ntimi fa levy entu obi aso without the consent of the Bank of Ghana and the church NDC for bu oman no ye tumi no kredie perpere yo ene mra ene bi bu oman no ye ma obi enna nsore aka se me na mabie maduma na aduma na mabie ntiro me taxes am pe bia na me ato Ghana for so me maka ana mesa ka biom say MTN for ya akronfo MTN for ya manboyfo because taxes here omo to fi telecel omo nye bi da Airtel Tigo ya ntehwe nka kasapa kwati ati anka be ka kasapa so omo nye hwe wa ya se MTN ka ma Ghana for nyina te say MTN omo ya akronfo omo ya manboyfo de omo hwe fraud and scamming ekoso e telecommunication networks mu no bi say when was the last time what is a telecel ni bi abakase ya fraud no. When was the last time what is the telecel ni bi afrasi e to bi say MTN ye nyanko e bi si wo telecel mu da what is Airtel Tigo o ma complain wo search ayimi o mu nya bi da Tigo obi an wo complain da bia ye MTN enti MTN e ya konfo o mu nyina ya konfo nki kan tintin ni tete nyina te MTN kwan ko se yi free Ghana chaka to say masa mutumi me boy promota they are thieves they are robbers. They are killers, they are scammers, they are fraudsters. MTN for. Eti yaka Omo bi ate say endo afanyoma akekogbu nu wani mas wo parliament obekọtọ agu nu wani mas kopem say MPP fo be wunya nsa no ma yi afanyoma ake aye dey afri wo so ma ni afanyoma ake afri ho na mo say dey bi on be ya omo minority leader ene na ba bia MPP di na ni akire na no ode na ye be fa akwanya ti aka kire NDC maburu na mo social media so a mo defend NDC no mo ko so anya ne saa na NDC ya we no na NDC telephone so mo timani we ya social media for no na bibia anya kama anya fantastic enti ye papa mahama ayarga wa kill game no edo wa gu ye papa afanyoma ka anim asepoto menim so ba ne ti no fire no so dia purchase kaka ho dia mentimi kire because he was totally out of coverage area. I'm telling you, sir, your afanyoma was totally out of what coverage area. No, I yera kwai wo nim ne work kan. And there good table so I ever come of parliament. Mobile money wants and some 11 wants some him. Now sorry Mr. Speaker in some munu sa Mr. Speaker in munu. In theory afanyoma ken ya catch now say kwa na sabra bio and bra ye papa mahama yarga ma uti asese. O beto wo mu our parliament. Nti say we bibi ba na say we nim na wa bon na we tipo nkoso a. Ask them and they will educate you. Man, yes, I want to know we no gossip. And most of the two know we they be able to go anymore. Say, I go fuck me that subscribe like channel for the notification bell. For example, so any update, we are going to be the first person to have it. Obviously, we so for an agent favor called Makram.
Welcome to Joe Fact Media. Hear it loud and clear. Breaking news, truth is what we hold dear. Ghana's newest voice, rising to the top. With facts we confirm, no chance we flop. Headlines, analysis, real interviews. We dig deep, we don't just break the news. Authentic, bold, we pass the test. Joe Fact Media, bringing you the best.